I used to earn 7,400 on trading future contract in one day, and now I'm giving it to you just for 49.91. We slashed the course prices by 80%, and I'm giving you 3 days for free trial. There's no excuses. If you're in the market to trade futures, now is the best time. We heard you guys, some of you guys turned to us asking to jump into the course, understanding it, wanted to purchase it. It was a little bit heavy on you. If you in the market for to trade futures, now it cannot be a better time than now. We literally give you the whole opportunity to have no excuse. You can choose any package of any course, either the elite, the essential, or the pro. We're giving you 3 days for free, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I made 7,400 using and trading future contracts in one day. Of course, we're going to talk about today about the Nasdaq contract. We understand that the market was basically jumping today. Yesterday, we see basically those of you who followed us for the last couple of months, of course, they string traded with us all the way from here to this point. We took a long position from here. Right here on the graph, just to emphasize where we're at. We literally took just one contract, trading this amazing contract all the way up to here at that time before the tariff speech, basically capping for us about 90 grand. Right now at that point, we're talking about more than 100 grand right here. So those of you who basically swing traded with us, congratulations, thank you, and I'm happy for you for your result. As I mentioned before, and I mentioned yesterday, our whoop is on the air from yesterday. It is amazing to see you guys jump on the Discord channel as well, and the whoop, of course, the whoop is there for you guys to see the full library. As I mentioned, we literally slashed the prices by 80%. I'm giving you guys a strategy that I personally use in order to get the money out of the market, basically 7,400 in one day, and we're gonna explore today using the Nasdaq contract. So I want to say welcome as well to my Discord community. As always, those of you who join the server, welcome to the server, welcome to the team. I hope you're gonna bring value to the community and you find value in this community, and let's grow together and make this community alive and thriving, and basically dealing with very high efficient traders. So welcome to all of you. Let's talk about the Nasdaq contract. We're gonna see how basically was this applying this strategy today in order for us to get money out of the market. So as always, we're looking at a bird's eye view. We're always going to look we're going to start at the day interval. We see in the day interval, obviously we're in an uptrend. We've been covering for the last couple of weeks. We see how the price basically came all the way down from here, basically breaking all the minor supplies in the way, and we are evaluated over here in this area. We're still, of course, made a lot of reasoning why we can still, even within this supplier, why we was able to take a long position within the day. Understanding this, we'll basically continue with the position all the way to here, and there was a pattern, small pattern that was created over here. Of course, we don't see it in the day interval, and now we see the price started to accumulate an energy towards the bigger move, which we are looking to see it go up. So within the day, we're looking at an uptrend on a 4 hours interval. We're going to see that a little bit more clear. On the 4 hours interval, we see the following. We have basically accumulation of energy right here in this point right here. I'm going to point it, and we're going to see basically the price slowly but surely going to rise up. And before it rising up, we want to see it basically go all the way down over here to take those position. Those basically order to go to the orders, the unfulfilled orders over here in this order block. We want to make sure that basically the price reaching downwards over here and then flip and reverse. or possibly even all the way up to here, also is a long chance, but and then flip and reverse. So within the day we have possible entry point long and a short. So we're gonna look for the best option. So we're gonna go now right now for the 15 minutes interval, understanding where the market relies. We see basically the price right now is climbing. Basically, if we're gonna mark this supply area right here, we see how the price slowly but surely reaching this, creating a supply area for us over here. The price reaches the supply in flip and reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth time, the fourth time right here. Make a huge drop to the demand, slowly climbing up, and we still don't see an uptrend over here right here. We see that basically in order for us to get into uptrend, we want to see this area is being breaking. So as long as we're not in this mindset, we still see a supply area right here. What we evaluate is basically that the price will go down from here. We see that basically the price started to have some resistance in the supply area. We want to see it going from here downwards over here to this demand and flip and reverse, or going from here and flip and reverse, and going from here and flip and reverse. We still have a chance to short the market, although it's not the favorite position, but it's still a position that we can take. I'm gonna activate the day profile, and we're gonna see with the day profile what's going on. We see with the day profile we have a short tip right here, which means that the price can definitely expand upwards. It's very much possible because we're still in an uptrend. So what we took within the day, they basically gave us a reasoning to get 7,400 out of the market. So basically we long it from this point to this point. We basically created a bit more than 7,400, and we're looking for a second chance over here on the market with 5 contracts to gain another $8,000, of course risking less than half. So the idea is always, the strategy is always to look about to risking 1% of your portfolio, 1 to 2%, not to risking more than this. And of course, the idea of a trader is not a trader, is a risk manager. So we always have to be calculating the risk appropriately. So right now we see the price still lands on the POC right here. We want to see it breaks the POC, go down to the low value area of the day, which is right here, and then flip and reverse upwards. So one possible position already after we gain 7,400 is basically take this price right here, let it drop all the way to the low value area right here, and then see what's going on in this area, understanding that if we did not break this structure, we're still in a short my position, and basically maybe extend it all the way downwards to take it all the way to even possibly 23 or $26,000, and risking a quarter than this. Of course, within the groups, we're gonna talk about this position as well, and we're gonna talk about more possible positions. So I urge you to go and join the Discord channel, where we have a live discussion every day about possible positions. Of course, as I mentioned before, the courses is now live on Warp, and those strategies available for you only for $49.99, and you have 3 days of free trial. Try any course that you like for 3 days. You have the modules over there, you can enjoy, you can tell your friend, and of course it's reachable for you guys. If you decided that this is the right course for you, of course it's only $49.99. It's very much affordable. I want to wish you successful trading as usual. I'm gonna see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.